Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be swatching and reviewing a new to me brand of gel polishes called Zeesea. I am really obsessed with this packaging and detail inspired by Picasso's artwork, and this is the package their starter kit comes with. So if you're interested in seeing what comes in this set as well as swatches of the gels, then just keep on watching. This kit comes with a nail file, a buffer, pedicure toe separators, a soft dusting brush, some cuticle oil, some nail clippers, a cuticle trimmer, a cuticle pusher, a firm dusting brush, a gel base coat, matte gel top coat, glossy gel top coat, and this amazing LED gel curing lamp that you just click once and it turns on. You can also just put your nails underneath and it'll turn on. I'm also trying to show you the setting because it actually has a timer on the front, a couple lights that light up, and it's preset for 90 seconds. So the set also comes with 6 gel colors, and as you watch me swatch these polishes, you can see that the brush is nice and wide, which I absolutely love, and the gel wasn't super thick, so it was really easy to apply. It was really nice that the gel didn't have a super strong scent as well, and these gels are 9-free. In between swatching, I just cured the nails under the LED lamp for 90 seconds, but with a lamp you can watch the time go down, so if you only want to cure for 60 seconds, you can just watch until the timer goes down to 30 seconds and take your nails out. I am really impressed with the lamp and these polishes, and I really love these neutral colors. Here are swatches of the dark gray and light gray polishes with shiny top coat as well as the matte top coat. The lamp that this kit comes with is really high quality, and I've been looking for a new gel lamp, so I'm super excited to have this one. It does a great job of curing the gel, and gel polishes are meant to last a really long time, so I'm looking forward to testing these polishes. I also really love the neutral colors because they're perfect for year-round use, and it's honestly the perfect starter kit for anyone trying gels for the first time. I also feel like there are many nail art opportunities with these 6 colors, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I love a good Skittle manicure, and I think all of these colors go so well together, and that's kind of why I'm swatching them like 2 colors for each manicure, because I just feel like it really showcases how well the colors go together. So here are swatches of the green shade as well as the light pink shade. Here are swatches of the last 2 polishes. The link where you can purchase this kit is in the description box, so if you are interested, be sure to check it out. This kit retails for $50, and in my opinion, I think it's a fantastic deal because you get a gel lamp, all the tools you'll need for a perfect gel manicure, and these 6 gorgeous shades, which, like I said, they're perfect for year-round. I love these beautiful neutrals, and I really don't think you can go wrong, especially if you're a beginner. I think this is a great kit for you. I've been around swatching gels and testing different gel kits, and by far this has to be one of my favorites, and I also absolutely love the packaging. I just can't get over it. So here are the darker pink and mauve shades. And that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing swatches of these Zeesea gel polishes. I'm really impressed, and I am so excited to continue to use these polishes and wear test them, see how they last. And Zeesea was also kind enough to send me a few more of their collections, so be on the lookout for more videos soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.